Center number 15, Pinoy Sakuragi, Mark Pingris. Their head coach is Boyet.
Rev Diputado, John Formento, who came off the bench, earning a starting nod here. Chip, going to the side.
Two games being ended abruptly. That has to be one of the weirdest things.
Malakas yung tira sa tres ni James Ingles. Running start for Kenny Rocurva. One of the best rebounding guards and in transition as well. Going coast to coast. Alatica, nakabuelo, lays it up and in over Mark Pingris.
A chance to rotate, to Alatica, but that would mean that he would have to leave. Etong si
Pingris offering that screen. Dives down the lane, puts it up and in.
look at the catch on top of his head.
CJ losing Gimpayan, dumps it down low to Matt De Leon. He hammers it down with one hand.
Oh, what a setup.
It's down low.
Right here, you see the drop off. And then little snap by Matt De Leon in the ball game.
Sa poste, Pingris. Against Mahinay, umikot, reverse layup kay Pinoy Sakuragi, who wanted a foul on that drive. Inside they go to Mahinay. Babandang tira, papasok yan.
Oh, he has that shot.
First quarter. Raimundo runner, swak na swak. Galing kay Pamboy.
In Kenny Rocurva.
Lastimosa lines it up, knocks down the three. Extending their lead to Carlo Lastimosa. Inside, Jeremy Mahinay with a putback has 4 points for Nexo Subido. Nice pass to the outside, Ray Bienes. Jeremy Mahinay cleans up his miss.
The rebound, just attracting the defense, creating the open shot, and eventually the offensive rebound. Si Kimani Dadi, tingin ko ang #1 game doon. Jeremy Mahinay tinamaan sa mukha.
Seemed like offering that screen here.
Katama ng mukha. Incidental contact ng Warren Bonifacio.
Kung okay naman, Rev Diputado, CJ Alatica, Wilson Baltasar, and John Lee Bolin. Tough move.
The paint, good mid-range shooter. Tulad doon, ang hirap nung tinira niya. Pero ito, the numbers, 5 on 4. Somebody's open on the weak side.
And then Subido draining the trifecta from the corner.
That is just
24-13. Diputado gets the step. Tough finish, high off the glass and in. Pull-up jumper by Damian Lasco. Straight but short. Pitch ahead. CJ Alatica with a strong finish off that pass.
Alatica, the first one there. The first one also to finish. Bonifacio, that's a big basket.
Second. Bounce pass, Alatica, nakabuelo, pinomba pa! Coming around with that reverse
Ito sa isang side, nag-finish pa sa kabila eh.
Mahinay the rebound. Alatica is ahead. He's running circles around the defense, lays it up and in!
This was the highlight for CJ.
CJ Alatica, they certainly have.
Oh!
So Akurma almost made it. Mabulak putting it back in. Plus a foul. Attacking the defense of Akurma. Had Mark Pingris in the air.
Yeah.
Tapos,
Sino yun? Fighting Maroon ba yun? Captain Ball ba yun dati?
sa loob, Jopet Soriano puts it back
This
in.
thing is obviously putting his head down and getting to the rim.
Formento seeking contact, makes the three anyway. Met by a triple team na agaw ni JJ Pido. JJ all the way, wala. Pingris sa ilalim, will just put it back up and in.
Pingris with a cleanup.
Mark Pingris just being better of challenging that shot. Pamboy left open, knocks that one down from beyond distance. He did not do a good job in that last game against Caloocan in terms of coming out strong in the third. But in total, ahead, Formento, all alone, 5 straight points, counter-attack, galing sa Negros.
Alatica touchdown sa kabilang panig kay Formento. Himpayan. That's clearly a foul.
Screen set by CJ Alatica. CJ, dump inside, 2 points for Jeremy Mahinay. Hindi nakita ni CJ. Himpayan makes them pay, tapping it in. Formento, catch and shoot free, bucket. Fading away over Pamboy Raimundo, tough shot, Alatica with an offensive rebound, going right at J-Mark Himpayan. That will roll through for CJ. Hand off to Roa Curva. Pull-up jumper by Kenny is good. They needed that one.
There was a little hesitation. It was a miss, but that time a pull-up to his left. Here's Kenny. He's definitely comfortable of doing this.
Leaning in, banking that shot. 2 minutes remaining. Halos di na nakatingin sa ring doon si Chopit Soriano, but just flipping it. Lastimosa hops down the lane. Mabulak likes that shot. That's exactly why he knocks it down from around 18 feet.
He's been open since the offensive rebound.
Bigla nakita. Lastimosa will put it up and put it in from downtown.
Lastimosa says,
Sa ating third quarter. Scoring run. Massive. That's a 15-1 run before that basket by Raymar Caduyak.
good defense once again by Renzo.
Alatica Bumuelo puts it in despite the heavy contact. Alam si Caduyak recovers. Nagpanggaan sila ni Formento. 4 on their shot clock.
Turnaround.
Formento over Sopeto. Cold-blooded from John Formento. The ball out of his hands. Alatica slides in. Dumps it down low. Mahinay puts it in. Missing the services today of Nick Caballero. That's a big-time shot from rainbow distance. Pamboy Raimundo.
Does not allow a slower Jeremy Mahina. You see how far he was? To open up. Ka rin dyan. Maniwala ka sa akin. Pamboy, back-to-back, wala.
Tip in. Sino ba yun?
Soriano.
Joe Petado playing Raimundo tough. Lastimosa gets to his spot and scores.
Again, off the terrific.
They've countered with a 7-1 run of their own. Bagsak si Jeremy Mahinay.
Mahirap pala magawa yan, ha?
Position. And paying dividends. Sa ilalim, Alatica. A fine performance, getting to within 3. And just talking about the Hacienderos, they've given teams like Caloocan and a team like Binyan at least in spurts na they could hang in.